Available now at Titan Machinery of Bismarck. We have a 2008 Case 580 SM3 with 1,775 hours. This backhoe has 91 horsepower, 4-wheel drive, and ride control, and is equipped with a 24-inch backhoe bucket and 82-inch loader bucket. The backhoe is extendable and features 6-lever control. The rear tires are 11 by 16.1s and the front tires are 17 by 24s. The enclosed cab features air conditioning and heating. If you're interested in this Case 580 SM3 and would like to contact their sales staff, give them a call at 701-250-7925. To view other available used equipment, check out bismarck.titanmachinery.com.